The real problem of this area is today that in spite of the fact that this was a very green area, total forests were there, many of the areas have been deforested. And what we used to read in our childhood about this area, about the greenery and diversity, biodiversity and all that, that has been destroyed by illegal felling of trees to a great extent. And it is for that purpose that we have taken up this project two ways. One, that we have completely put a ban on tree felling. For that we have taken various actions which you will certify that these days that tree felling is almost nil. At the same time, we also decided on 5th of June last time, this 5th June, on the Environmental Day, not only that we have to take actions and all that, but we have to have a positive steps to deforested area को forested area करें, forest में. And for that purpose we planned to plant 40 lakhs saplings within this 2.5 months time by this end of this month. Roughly 31 lakhs plantations have already been done. And the remaining we have decided to plant in these 4 areas of this area. It will be completed by the end of this August. And today itself, we are going to plant around 10,000 plants today itself. Not only that we are planting these plants, we have taken care how to see that these all survive over there. We have taken special efforts, a special scheme for that. I am sure with the efforts we have taken up right now, within 3-4 years, all the deforested areas in this area, again you will get lush green. This is our objective.
네, 빨리 가볼까요?